By now, you probably know that I love to eat great tasting, healthy food. One of my favorite go-to meals is my big ass salad. Well, today I'm going to introduce you to the big ass steak salad featuring the brand new ranch dressing from Primal Kitchen. This ranch dressing beats every other ranch dressing on the market. It's made with avocado oil, organic cage-free eggs, nutritional yeast, spices and herbs that give it that beautiful ranch taste without the downside of the dairy. One of the important aspects of my lunch is it's got to be kind of fast because I'm on the go, I'm doing stuff all day. So I keep a lot of my salad fixins pre-prepared in this drawer, this refrigerated drawer that I have, in which I keep a lot of my lettuce leaves and some of the stuff that I've cut up earlier in the week, because I usually keep a week's worth of pre-cut vegetables in there. And I've got some steak left over from last night. I had a flank steak last night. I always cook a little bit more steak than I need because I know I can use it for the salad the next day, or chicken, or fish, or whatever. So then, because this is a unique salad and because it's got that steak in it, I wanted to throw in some onions, which I'm going to do today. I've roasted some onions, some broccolini, one of my favorite green foods of all time in any form, some roasted peppers, a little bit of hard-boiled egg, some cut up cherry tomatoes, here we go, and a little bit of crumbled blue cheese, because I love blue cheese. Some cucumbers on here. And again, you'll see this takes like next to no time to make. And finally, some of the steak from last night, just enough to add about 15 grams of protein, probably. And then I'm going to top it off with Primal Kitchen Ranch Dressing. Look at the creamy goodness coming out of this bottle. Oh boy, that's just awesome. Okay, so that took less than 2 minutes, and I've got my lunch ready to roll.